with a personal injury, this, and I would imagine that this is a wide area that's pretty vast. Is there any particular instances of personal injury which you find is probably the most challenging?
Well, certainly when you're talking about medical malpractice, you're getting into a challenging area of the law only because the subject matter is challenging to a non-medical person. So, when we have a medical malpractice comes in, not only are you working the case up traditionally in the legal sense, but you're working yourself up on the medicine and you're learning the medicine. So that is always challenging. Of course, we have experts that we rely on for any medical malpractice case, but certainly it's more complex in other cases. Products liability can be complex as well. Again, you're dealing with experts to make the case.
What's the most interesting personal injury case you've been involved in?
Well, I had a case recently where a woman was shopping at Pathmark, and there was a display of spaghetti sauce, and she reached for a can, and the display fell down on her, injuring her legitimately. But it was interesting because somehow the Daily News picked up on it and had a headline, meatballs cause spaghetti sauce to fall at local supermarket, plaintiff alleges. So that was interesting from a curiosity point of view. But we definitely have interesting cases. I don't know whether non-lawyers would find them interesting, but it's amazing how many times you have a case and there's an issue of law. And you're thinking to yourself, well, there's got to be so much law in this because this undoubtedly has happened many times before, and you'll go and you'll research and you'll find there's no case law. So the law is ever changing, ever evolving, always making new law, and you can't presume that something is, while it might have happened, it might not have happened and been litigated or taken up on appeal. So it's every day you're learning more.